Welcome back. It is 6:23. We're joined this morning by Marti and Stormy Mongiello, Shauna Gallerini, I know I probably butchered your name, and also JT Blakely, and they are from the Inn of the Patriots, that's over in Grover, and you guys are really gearing up for Easter this year. Oh, and I forgot the Easter Bunny.
Yeah.
Where's my brain this morning?
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us as well.
You got to have Harvey.
Got to have Harvey the Bunny.
Yep.
So what's going on? How are you guys preparing? What's going on over there?
Well, we're getting ready for the craziness with hundreds of kids again in Grover and Cleveland County. We did make Dolley Madison's favorite cake today. The chefs were busy yesterday. And should we have her have a slice?
Sure. All right.
This is a really interesting cake from the most famous First Lady in history.
Dolley Madison?
Yeah, born and raised here in North Carolina.
Really?
Yeah, not a lot of people know that. And she is the one who started the Easter egg roll in the United States and brought it to America and thought it was a neat idea. So this is her famous black pepper, cardamom, and ginger cake.
Ooh, so it's going to have a little spice to it.
It has a little spice, and we could always baste your piece for you one more time, a little bit more. This is made with fresh ginger, and Chef Shauna was in there, and Chef Amber and Chef JT stirring with the finest yesterday.
Yeah. Okay. Well, while I'm tasting this, why don't you tell us a little bit about you have a collection of some of Dolley Madison's china, actually.
Yeah. This was bought originally owned by Marie Antoinette.
Really.
And James Monroe bought this and sent it across the ocean for the Madisons, a 36-piece set, so that they would have something to entertain on. And it is quite unique. It's black and yellow. Who'd have thunk? Yeah. And JT, do you want to mention some of the eggs?
Sure. Here we have the egg from 2 years ago, and it's the first one signed by Bo, the dog from Obama's presidency. And over there we have last year's, again signed by Bo. And this year they're going to have Bo and Sonny on the Easter egg.
First time two pets on an egg.
Two pets on an egg. Awesome.
Yeah. And this is a complete set here, Ashley, and for the lovers of WBTV, this is a complete 2013 set of White House Easter eggs.
Oh, wow.
So it's a big thing. Yeah, and over here is an antique 1934 White House egg rolling game. This is from Parker Brothers in the 30s. It was very popular. You roll the eggs and score different points, and so pretty neat artifact that we're trying to protect.
Okay, so you guys have the egg roll coming up. When is that? Tell us a little bit about the event.
April 21st at 11 o'clock at the Presidential Culinary Museum in Grover, North Carolina.
In Grover, North Carolina. So bring out the kids, get all the Easter eggs. And
it's free, and we also have $100 bills that we put in eggs. So,
well, if that won't get the kids out there. All right. Well, that sounds like a really fun event. The recipe you guys have given us to put up on WBTV.com for this cake, really good, by the way. Guys, thank you so much for coming in.
All right. Well, thank you again.
All right. Thank you. We're back with more right after this. Stay with us.